Okay, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're doing another video and unboxing. Pero hindi tech yung i-unbox natin kasi request to ng wife kong si Lace. And this is the Muji 2026 planner. Ewan ko ba ba't nauso itong mga ito, no? Parang kasi on this season of holidays, no, nauso yung mga different kinds of planners. Like sa Starbucks, CBTL, marami pa yung mga Moleskine, 'di ba? Ito naman yung Muji naman tong kinababaliwan ng wife ko, no. So, she got this Muji 2026 planner. They call it the monthly and weekly planner. So, marami pa lang version para tong kay Muji, no. So, she got this from Shopee for around the price of 745 pesos. This is online. So, I think there's a reseller in Shopee. Lagay tayo ng link dyan sa ating video. And for if you're going to Muji, no, ang price nito is 525. This is A5. Medyo malaki-laki siya. Hindi siya mini, no, malaki siya. No? Sa normal notebook. So, bumili siya sa Shopee because walang access kami sa Muji here in Cavite. At walang time din mag-mall kasi sobrang traffic. So, doing the online shopping, it's very convenient. At na-deliver in a few days, ito na, dumating na hindi ko alam. So sabi niya, i-vlog ko daw at pakita ko daw sa aking mga viewers about the awesomeness of this Muji 2026 monthly and weekly planner. Maraming version siya kasi mayroong weekly lang, may monthly, ano pa ba? Basta maraming version. I'm not familiar with the Muji planner, but we're going to explore it. So, magandang style ng notebook niya, no? Notebook sa planner. It's a like a vinyl cover, para plasticky. Tawag nila vinyl eh. So, hindi siya an ordinary notebook. And it's legit from Muji. I think there's a reseller somewhere out there, no? I think maybe they have a supplier directly from Muji. I'm not sure, no? But may patong siya silang mga 245 pesos. But it's okay for convenience kung wala kayong access. You can shop and select yung mga colors na gusto nyo. I think there's a red, I think red or orange. This is the white. May brown and black yata. No? So I'm just viewing the post ni Muji sa kanilang Facebook, no. So if you're a fan of doing journaling, creating your planner, and you go to Muji store to get this for around 525. And if ever wala kayong access or wala kayong time to go to the mall, to the Muji store, pwede rin siya Shopee, no? So, very convenient, no? So, okay. Nakwento ko na yung gagawin natin, no? Let's explore this. Actually, nagpa-planner ako dati. I do carry notebooks. I think ang last ko is around 2008 yata. That's the last time I use the old Starbucks planner, yung may leather na cover. Napakakapal nun, grabe. Sobrang gamit na gamit ko for my production notes, meetings, scheduling. During that time, smartphones, wala pang ganong feature, no? Creating scheduling, no? Kasi ngayon, naka-Google Calendar na tayo eh. Pero for me, I want to go back carrying a notebook para may masulatan. But hindi na yung planner style yung kailangan ko. Basta any notebook na lang din. Okay na rin din sa akin. Para I have a schedules there, I can write it, can create my own planner. But if you have the Muji 2026 monthly and weekly planner, it's very nakakapag-organize ka ng inyong schedule. Okay, let's deep dive, unbox na natin to and let's check kung gaano ba kaganda itong Muji planner na ito. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here we are. Napaka-weird na we're not unboxing a tech or gadget, no? But we're here checking out the Muji monthly, weekly planner. And nakalagay naman pala dito eh. Starting daw is from December 2025 up to January 2027. Yung planner nito. Parang, kasi available nito is, they sold this since September. At yung planner niya is starting from, I think, started December 2025 and it will end in January 2027. Actually, to give you more time to buy your own planner. Alright. Yun yung next plan niya for 2027. Sa January siya magsa-start. So, ito yung style niya, no? It's really a notebook style. at marami siyang mga sizes na available. No? And this, I really like the cover. They call it the vinyl cover, no? Vinyl siya. So, parang plasticky. So, mabasa man siya, matmasikan, it will wipe it off lang. So, hindi madadamage yung loob niya kahit matuluan tolo. So, kahit patungan nyo siya ng kape, pwede rin ng coffee niyo. Pero huwag yung gawin nyo kasi baka madamage nga to. Magkakaroon siya ng mga imperfections. No? So, it's a sleeve style. No? It's a sleeve style. You can put some notes here, pictures ng jowa nyo, pets nyo, for example, or some other, like for example, IDs or paper bills, pwede din. Pasingit nyo dito. No? So, sa likod dyan is meron din. I think pwedeng card or IDs or whatever. No? Pang serve as for your reminders. No? Pwedeng beep card, for example. At opening it, there's a gray color here. And they have a nice calendar. Small calendar for 2025, 2026, tsaka 2027. My God, you're viewing the futures, no? So, grabe. Ganun kaganda. They have a day here, 2026, starting from grade 2026. I think you can put, this is January, February, March, April, May, June, and so forth. Ito yung mga dates niya. Dates at also meron din siyang mga Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think you can put some important dates here, no? Pwede. Like, for example, you have a birthday, anniversaries, graduation nyo, or bayad ng bills, bayad ng utang, or mga reminders, no? Pang important reminders na it will be throughout the year na rin din. Para sa Google Calendar, you have this scheduling, no? And then after that, you can continue the notes sa following pages. So this one, sorry. Ito yung sabi ko, it started at from December 2025. So ito yung start ng plan. Today is December 21. So mag-start tayo December 21 here. It's Sunday. You can put something here. I created a vlog, and then tomorrow I'll go to SM to buy gifts. 2024, magluto ng spaghetti, and 2025, go to church. Parang gano'n yung mga something to remind you, no? And okay na rin yung mga ganitong planner to keep you off using your phones. And then next is the January 2026 na. And so forth, no? This is the monthly thing. At after that, I think it's the weekly na, no? Kamukha na ito. You got this December 2025, and this is this is January 2027. January. This is 2027 na. So that's the end of it, no? And then after that, you got the weekly thing. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ganito yung style na to, no? December, last week of the December. Yeah, tama. So may grid lines dito. Okay, so there's a grid line here. And also the weekly, no? Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ganun yung style niya, no? So nag-start din sa weekly sa December 2025. I'm looking at here, no? May guide dito. So, yung weekly niya nag-start sa December 2025. That's 12, that's December. So, week 15th, we're at the end of the year. So, let's go to, I think this is week 1. Ayan. Week 1, nag-double na siya ng December, tsaka week 1 of January 2026. So, magsa-start tayo dito, number 1. And this is the week 2 na, no? So, okay siya, no? We started here to compile everything like notes, reminders. There's also a nice string here for bookmarks, and I think you can add here some of your notes, no, or maybe yung stickers. Maraming ways to document your daily life. So lahat yan, week 8. This is the month pala, no, month. So 9, ayan, 10, October, November. And then, December na ng 2026. And I think meron pang week for 2027. And this is ito na yung 2027. You go back to number 1. 1 week 1, this is January 2027. I think it will still continue, no? I'm not sure, no? Hanggang saan to aabot? Okay, ito tama. Hanggang dun lang talaga siya. Week 4 of January 2027. So yung mga grid lines is since we're doing this for calculations, no, for numbers, no. Pero usually, yung iba, they doodle, they create, so parang the lines is, well, like a chart, for example. You can do it using dots, lines, for example. You can create, you can customize everything na pwede nyo i-document yung inyong buhay. So that's it, no? We just do a browsing. Ginawa ko na tong vlog to, just requested by my wife to show off na hey, check out this beautiful Moji monthly weekly planner, no, na she's gonna use starting today, no, after ditong ating video session na to, no, gagamitin na niya to, and I can see everything here, no, kasi si wife is also nag-start din siya na nagda-diary din siya. Ako din nagda-diary din ako dati, yung mga diaries ako, and then sa uso na yung mga blogs, and then after that, nakalimutan na natin to. Digital na tayo. We have Google Calendar, we have blogs, we have Facebook, Instagram. But here, it's very much personal. You can, have a peaceful life away from digital connectivity. You have to, do some focus, on your scheduling. Pero ako, I'll just go back to a regular notebook kasi masyadong organized kasi yung mga tao gumagamit nito. Ako, hindi naman ako masyadong organized. So, I really like browsing my notebook, searching for some updates, some reminders, and plans. At kung ganun kagulo yung aking kwarto, ganun din yung aking notebook. At napakapangit ng sulat ko. Yun ang problema doon. Alright, so that's it guys for our vlog for today. This is just very quick, no cuts, no ek, just showing off this beautiful Moji Planner 2026 monthly weekly planner. All right, so thank you guys for watching. So happy holidays sa inyong lahat, and thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. All right, mabili kaya ako nito sa wife ko, no? Pwede. Okay, wishlist for Christmas. All right.